Hi and welcome to my YouTube. I'm here today with a new idea of starting a YouTube channel. If English is your first language, or even if English is not your first language but you're very good at it, you can start English learning channel on YouTube. You can also upload these videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and any others you use. These videos can be like English teaching class, English lessons for beginners. There are multiple ideas there. If you do some research on YouTube, or even if you use ChatGPT or Gemini or any other AI platform, you can see how many ideas are there to use. Let me show you some example channels who are working good in this niche and making money. Look at this channel, Learn English with Jessica, with more than 2 million subscribers. And you can see they are making animated videos on daily life conversations, daily English conversations, and other things like how to improve your English. Here you can see Learn English with English class, and they have 8.64 million subscribers. And this is an example of channel showing face. And here's another example of Faceless YouTube English learning channel. You can start this channel with showing your face or without showing your face. It's your choice. As you can see, many videos of English learning have no one's face on it. If you're not showing your face, you can use Canva to make these videos. Open Canva and in templates write Learn English or English class, and you will see many templates ready and available for editing here. ChatGPT will help you in this. It will give you ideas of making a unique, different learning videos. Or if you use any other AI platform, you can use that. Open ChatGPT or any other AI platform you like and type, please give me ideas to make videos for English learning channel, Faceless and with face. It will give you multiple video ideas. You can ask ChatGPT to give you most trending ideas. Choose any of them you want. Then ask ChatGPT to write a script for you. And also mention if it's a faceless or a with face video, so your script is same as you want. Then read the script, and if you don't like something or want to edit, ask ChatGPT to edit it or do it yourself. Just don't follow blindly whatever AI gives you. Then follow the script and record and edit your video. Also, you can ask ChatGPT for the SEO. Whatever results AI gives you, just make sure you make some changes yourself. Or even you can ask ChatGPT to make it different for you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, stay happy and healthy. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.